Oh.
Your toss is up there.
Yeah, your toss is up there. You're just trying to grab so soon. You're hitting your shin. You finish, find her feet.
I always put my arms right here because I won't hit anyone and it flies.
You can grab it a lot easier.
That's what all of us do because we've gotten good control.
Crazy arms.
One, two. You're right here. You just got to. You're thinking about going here. Throw it up. Come on. Throw it up.
Coaches, we're out.
Okay.
They're probably going to kick us out of here in a couple minutes.
Yeah, our best is out there waiting. We appreciate y'all, and this was a great experience for the girls.
Hey, Hunter, y'all got about 5 minutes or so, and I think they're going to lock up the building. So,
Thanks very much. Oh, Michael. It's right there.
Right now, what you're doing is going 1, 2. Grabbing whatever you see.
Yeah.
1, 2, take the time because she's up here where you're catching. If you just do this and let her set, she'll be right here.
And but when she tumbles, she's like this tall, and she tumbles like she's on a trampoline on like the hard floor. I'm like, you're insane.
1, 2.
Woo!
She threw the lion.
Once you hit feet, just sit. You should be able to walk. You'll get to the point where you can like. I can carry her up and down the football field. Get to the foot. Yeah. That's fun.
He likes to sit there on the basketball court and go. I'm gonna fall.
During sandstorm, you know.
Oh, yeah.
That's like my least favorite thing in the world. Because I know he's not gonna drop me, but I feel like I'm about to fall.
But as a fan, that's our favorite part.
It's really fun on the football field.
Oh, I bet.
But because there's like 80,000 fans and everyone's going crazy. But during the basketball season, like it's fun at times, but then most of the time it's like.
I'm tired of hearing it.
Especially because we're not that good.